Hi, this is Ani. Ani Day Trades on StockTwits and Twitter, and daytradingwithani.com is my blog where you can find some interesting articles, perhaps about trading and life, and how the two coincidentally are similar. Okay, let's take a look at what's happening here with the Dow Jones. Obviously, it's a new high, and as I mentioned this about a week ago, that this it was very likely, and certainly is came through. I want to look at this perhaps in a longer version to see where we are and what this implication. I'm going to get rid of some of this here, and what this looks like, on, and I think it's about time I got rid of that one too because we're way above there. And this one still is a legitimate price line right there. Okay, so this was that previous all-time high. Now we are here. Okay, when did we hit this previous all-time high? That was back in what? February? March, and it's been steadily moving up since then. Okay, and when once we broke through it, we went sideways, and now we're on a new path, moving higher. Now it could be a little bit tired, but what we'll be watching for here is this level at the 15.5 area. If it will break that down, then I would say that that would be a signal of a further downward move. However, currently right there, it's just testing it. That's all it's doing right now. It's just testing it. If it's going to move back down, it's going to test about right here one more time at the 15,137. And if it's going to break that down, then we're going to possibly bounce off of here or come lower. So we'll be watching that. That's not necessarily the strongest place, but usually it does tend to bounce off of those areas. Okay, so let's take a look at SPX. As far as a new high, that's always possible at this place too. There's a lot of enthusiasm, exuberance, outlook, holidays, all that can influence what might be coming through, and what how people are looking towards the future, at least to the New Year's or into the New Year. So we'll see how much caution is being taken towards the major holiday of Christmas. Okay, then SPX, also the new high, and that too. Let's take a look at that on the monthly basis. Now this is an interesting one because it came down in a V-shaped recovery, very quick actually. This signaling, actually, this is actually like a bull flag. It signaled that in a new breakout. Not very big breakout yet, but we'll see where it opens. If it opens up somewhere mid, you know, above, or if it pulls back and opens up mid-range of this candle, that's still very positive, so it could still move higher here. The watch area would be more like in this 1790 area to break that down. That's going to take something. Okay, so then we start moving perhaps back down here, and then again one more time this will be a major support, and we'll see what happens there. Okay, then as far as I said, if it pulls back and moves forward, that's also a possibility. 1810, 1815, 1820 is possible. I mean, that is possible. That's the way I'm seeing it. Okay, then let's take a look at NDX, which was the most, my opinion, difficult one to break out, and it was, and it broke it out one more time, came back down, breaking it out perhaps one more time here. Perhaps it could be just a test, and then watch this area one more time to see if it breaks that down. And of course this will become a support, and then if it comes down to here, I think more like a major support will be more here, more of a test. This could be stair stepping down. It needs to have really the volume to break it out. Okay, that's it then. That's what I see. Trade it well carefully. Have a wonderful holiday, by the way. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye bye.